Are you asking why can't my iPhone send videos to an Android? Well, this is a common problem for people who have an iPhone and are trying to send videos to friends and family, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, what we want to do is head over to the iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now we're in the main iPhone settings. What we want to do is scroll all the way down until we get to the Messages app, and we want to tap into that. So the first thing you can try is turn off this iMessages here, what's currently tabbed onto green, so tab it to grey, and then tab it back on after a few moments. And you can see here, waiting for activation. This may take a couple of minutes to do. Now once you've carried that out, scroll down slightly, and then see this send as SMS. What you want to do is you want to tab this on. So what you may be forgetting is that iPhone uses iMessage, and everyone else on other networks and other phones like Androids use SMS. So this could be a reason why the messages are not going through. So you want to tab this on. So after carrying out these steps, you should be able to send a text message with a video attached to your friends and family with an Android phone. If you're still having problems, what you want to do is come over to your iPhone photos. Now with the iPhone's photo app open, you want to select the video that you want to share with your friend, and then you want to swipe upwards, and this will bring up this little mini menu, and what you want to click on is copy iPhone link. And then what you can do then is head back over to a text message and paste this link into that, and then this will share this link so they can watch the video off your iCloud. So I hope this helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.